Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane. Thank you for stopping by. So today I'm going to make a quick video showing you how to thread a tabletop machine. Let's get started. You can place your thread here or here, then pass the thread this way, and then here, down here, go up, you can use this control to lift this part this way, and then you pass the thread also there. Then we go straight down. It's so easy. You put on the light and then pass the thread. I'm going to use my picker to help me. You can use the second control to change to the type of stitch you want, whether it's straight, zigzag, or any one. And that's it guys, we're done. You can go ahead and just sew. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and then you can also drop a comment, like, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Do have a blessed day.